this is the next space. I am going to be getting this together. Now, I could not find my shelves because they were in storage. So now that I have them, I had to order these little screw things to put on them. So I have some shower shelves that I'm going to put up right here. And we're going to make this look not so messy. So let's get into it and let me get the shelves. So I'm going to take this down because we're going to put the shelves right about here. And these were hooks that I had from a toilet brush I got, and I didn't use them, so no damage. And then we have another under here, so we're going to remove that. This is staying. This is a video. I'll try to link it for how you can watch movies and TV inside your shower. But we've been putting my foot thing, my scrub thing, my back, all that. And I'm getting rid of this. I think I'm going to get rid of this. So yeah, let's get all this stuff out the way. This going. So before I do that, I have to clean those those shelves off with these. So let's get into that. See how dusty and nasty. So let's clean these off. I love these. These are so sturdy and so nice. So let me clean the other one. And you know, with metal and stuff, guys, you can always, metal, wood, you can always spray paint it, refresh it, or whatever, and it'll last. Especially, you know, sturdy things, it'll last for a while. And I found myself like, you know what, use what you got. Don't buy nothing new just because you're in a new space, a new home. You don't need to buy nothing new. If you bought it the first time and you like it, use it and make it work in your space. All right, so cleaned up, let's get them on the wall. So these have little screw things like the hooks I showed you in my last like get it done mini video, but they're the ones that screw on with the cap. So we're gonna put those on first. See the difference? And I take this off like this, put it through, and then screw it on and it sticks to the wall. See how it goes in to the slot, and then I take these pieces and screw them on. All right, all of them are on. Let's get in the shower. I'm gonna peel these papers off of all of them. Let's see if we can get it right, guys. Okay, one shelf up. Nice. Second one ready to put up. All right, we are up. The bottom one didn't come with hooks. You kind of just put these on it. The other one has hooks made in the front. I actually don't like the way those look hanging there, but it's functional and we use them every time we shower. So yeah, that's how it looks. It looks better than all that raggedy stuff hanging. And now we can put our soaps and stuff in there, but I'm gonna wait till these have sat for a little bit. In this trial and error, we're gonna probably mix it up, do something different, but I'm about to clean this off because soap scum is in the inside of the screen part because of us laying wet things inside of it and using it as a shelf. There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys later, gators.